Hi everyone. Okay, so today in our plate we have Mac Yease, which is an amazing vegan food company that sells their mac and cheese, their vegan mac and cheese. It's at the Hot Bar at Whole Foods over on the West Coast, at select Whole Foods on the West Coast. And they were nice enough to send us a sample of their Mac and Yease.
Yes. Now they recently opened their online store so that you can actually order Mac and Yease to come to your doorstep. Now they recently opened up for holiday sales so that you can actually get Mac and Yease ordered and delivered straight to your doorstep.
Straight to your doorstep, and it is a 2-pound tray of vegan mac and cheese, Mac and Yease.
It feels heavier than 2 pounds.
Yeah. We're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to prepare right now.
Vegan Mac and Yease. Do not freeze. Nutrition facts and ingredients.
So this is all you need. Your 2-pound tray of Mac and Yease, half a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, and something to mix it with. So you just peel off the top here like so.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
You can smell it. You can smell all the seasoning already. Alright, and now you just pour in that half a cup. We're using oat milk, by the way. That smells good. And then mixing that oat milk. Oh, it sounds like mac and cheese too.
It does.
Yeah, you want to do like a folding motion. I can't wait to eat this. It smells amazing.
It does. Guys, if you've ever tried it, if you live in the California area and you've ever tried it at your local Whole Foods, make sure you leave a comment below. We want to hear what you guys, what do you think of it?
Yeah, let us know how you feel, man.
All right, and bakes right in the container, right?
Right in the tray. You don't need to redistribute it or anything. Right in the tray. All right, so next up, you go ahead and pop it in your oven for 50 minutes at 350. 50 at 350.
We're gonna do that.
Ooh, look at that.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that looks good. Oh my God.
Alright guys, so as you can see, that was as simple as
Super simple.
adding some milk, stir it, pop it in.
That's it.
Now we are ready to eat. We are ready to get into this taste test. Now we did want to let you guys know that if you want to order, you have to place your order, your pre-order before November 19th.
Yes.
But either way, check out Mac and Yease at Mac and Yease on Instagram for any details. And if you want to order, their link is in their bio over on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following them to keep up to date with this company, because trust me, the smell of the house alone.
I'm excited, man.
Okay.
I've heard so much about this. I'm just excited.
Exactly. And those pre-order details, that's for if you want your order to be delivered by Thanksgiving. Now the cost is $19.99 plus shipping and handling. So if you want to place your order, make sure you check out their Instagram.
Also, if you are in the SoCal, Hawaii, Arizona, or Las Vegas area, you can actually go to your local Whole Foods and pick up your order there.
Yes. So just call them, place your order, and you'll be able to pick up your order in time for Thanksgiving.
Absolutely.
We are about to be placing our order soon.
We're gonna need like 2 or 3.
Okay, so let's get into this taste test because this is our first time ever trying them.
We hear so much about it and how great it is. So I'm excited, man.
And as you guys saw in the little package we showed you guys earlier, we also have a turkey roast here in our plate.
This is actually from Trader Joe's. We actually just did a video where we ranked 7 vegan turkeys and roasts. So make sure you check that video out. I'll actually put the link right here for you guys to check out. Also, if you guys are looking for super simple and unique vegan holiday recipes, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
Yes.
Because that is the next video that we have coming up.
Yes, we have some really fun, easy recipes coming up for you guys. That's perfect to take with you to a vegan Thanksgiving. A lot of you are having your first vegan Thanksgiving this year, and we want to make sure we do our part to make it as smooth and easy as possible for you.
And tasty.
And tasty. Or even if you're going to somebody else's, just super easy stuff that you can like make and take with you.
Absolutely.
This Mac Yease may be one of them. Let's find out. Okay, first of all, the sound.
It's got the mac and cheese sound. That's for certain.
Oh my gosh. Are you ready to taste?
I'm ready, man.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
What a year this has been.
Mmm.
Oh, it's crunch. Wow.
There's a lot of character to this.
Guys, this tastes like a grandmother made it.
Let me find out this man stole his grandmama recipe.
Listen, this is also a black-owned business. I know a lot of you are out there and like to know so that you can support black-owned businesses. And especially within the vegan world, whenever we come across a black entrepreneur, we try to make sure we tell you guys about them.
Yeah.
And and the other day on Instagram, check this out. Now, if you don't know, that's the founder and CEO of Atlas Monroe, standing next to the founder and CEO of Mac Yease. That's the two of them standing together for a picture, which is pretty iconic. What they are building with their brands, like my brain is not even processing what I'm eating right now.
I am enjoying myself.
It's creamy, it's savory, has a nice crunch to it. It was super easy. Pop it in the oven. Wow, guys. Honestly, is this one of the best mac and cheeses we've ever had?
Absolutely. It's so unique, man. I don't think I've ever tasted mac and cheese like this before.
Yeah. It tastes really familiar.
Yes.
Like home. But it also tastes so distinct and unique. Like, there is no other mac and cheese on the market like this. Honestly. Truly.
So unique, man.
Honestly, truly.
Honestly, it's true. I gotta start using that.
Honestly, truly.
Honestly, truly.
Truly.
It goes great with the vegan turkey and the kale.
That was my first forkful of that.
Not me.
Wow.
I should have took more. I was being all modest and.
Please, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I was trying to be modest and take a small piece. Nah, man.
Oh my gosh, the kids are gonna love this too.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, definitely go ahead and check out Mac Yease, because I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be floored.
Yeah, if you let everybody else order and you don't pay attention, you're like, I catch on the flip side.
Yeah.
You're gonna be missing out, man.
Yeah, this is honestly.
This is something to definitely check out, something to definitely order and have on that Thanksgiving table. Most certainly.
It's delicious. Like,
I told you, we're gonna have to order like 2 or 3 of these.
well, seriously, we're probably gonna order about 4 of them.
Yeah, man. Gonna have some for Thanksgiving and some for after.
Exactly.
Because they don't have this at our Whole Foods yet. So
yeah, we're on the East Coast. We're in the Atlanta area. Every time I think I'm over it, I take another forkful.
No, I'm getting another piece.
Okay.
Another piece.
He sounded like he was expecting me to be like, no, you ain't.
That wasn't enough. I need.
Of course. I'm not. I don't want this to be over. That was honestly the best mac and cheese I've had.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Since going vegan, it's because it's a specific flavor and taste that you're looking for when you think mac and cheese. This is home. This tastes like home.
It tastes like a homemade meal. It tastes like your auntie made it or your grandmother made it, and you're always like, Auntie, let me get that recipe real quick. And she's like, oh no, baby, you can't get this.
It ain't time, baby. It ain't time.
It ain't time. You got to work your way up to this.
Woo! I'm feeling good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. What do they gotta do?
Don't forget to like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
subscribe, share, and make sure that you guys place your order, man. Don't be left out. Don't be last in line, man.
Guys,
make sure you place that order.
I'm just gonna say this. I'm gonna say it every single time we tell y'all about companies.
Oh my God, yep.
Some of y'all, you go out, you place your order
right away,
and others you don't, and then you come and you leave comments and you say they're sold out.
Sold out. You gotta go place your order right now.
100%. This is worth every penny.
Every penny.
Worth every penny.
Every single penny.
And we're planning on spending some coins on it.
Yeah, and it's not even like you get a little bit either. It's a 2-pound
tray.
So
when you see the tray, you're like, is that gonna be enough? It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's a lot, and it's very filling. I'm a little full, but I need more.
Mm-hmm.
I need more, man.
I need more.
Most certainly.
I need to make more egg dog.
You know I can't wait. You know I can't wait. But speaking of that, don't forget to
drink your oat milk and zip up your quota.
Guys, if you like this video, please be sure to go ahead and click this video right here. It is very similar to the one you just watched. You will enjoy it. Go ahead and click it.